What's up?
I'm in a hip-hop dance class. I love it because it lets out a lot of energy. It's also really fun.
I like that Richie makes up lots of cool moves.
Robot arms, right on top, left on bottom. And then after we do that, we're gonna drop down like this. 3.
They're getting trickier and trickier. But I get them right.
I like doing the robot. Dancing is really fun.
When I learn the whole dance, I feel really proud.
You guys have done so good today. I want you all to give me a big high five. Give me a big high five. Ted, yeah, good boy, good boy.
We all do high fives.